Your car's PCV valve may be small, but it plays a big role in keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. A bad or clogged PCV valve can lead to a host of problems, many of which are easy to spot if you know what to look for. Let's break down the signs and symptoms of a bad PCV valve and what they mean for your car. 1. Increased oil consumption. Are you finding yourself topping off your oil more often than usual? This is a common sign of a bad PCV valve. A malfunctioning valve can cause excessive oil to enter the intake manifold, leading to more oil burning in the combustion process. If you see blue smoke coming from your exhaust, that's a sure sign of oil burning and points directly to the PCV system. 2. Engine misfires or rough idling. A bad PCV valve can cause your engine to run rough, especially when idling. Why? If the valve is stuck open, it allows too much air into the intake manifold, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This can lead to engine misfires or that shaky, uneven idle we all hate to experience. 3. Poor fuel economy. Is your car guzzling gas more than it used to? A faulty PCV valve can contribute to poor fuel economy. When the air-fuel mixture is off balance due to a stuck valve, your engine compensates by using more fuel, leaving you with a lighter wallet at the pump. 4. Oil leaks or sludge. Pop the hood and check for oil leaks or sludge buildup. A clogged PCV valve increases pressure inside the engine crankcase, which can force oil through gaskets and seals, causing leaks. Over time, this pressure can also lead to the formation of sludge, a thick, gunky residue that can damage engine components if not addressed. 5. Check engine light. That glowing check engine light could also be tied to your PCV valve. When the valve isn't functioning properly, it sends incorrect data to your car's ECU, triggering a fault code. A quick diagnostic scan can confirm if the issue lies with the PCV system. 6. Excessive exhaust smoke. Is your car producing more smoke than usual? A bad PCV valve can lead to excessive exhaust smoke, often bluish in color. This happens when oil escapes into the intake manifold and burns along with the air-fuel mixture. 7. Engine performance issues. If you've noticed a lack of power, hesitation, or sluggish performance when accelerating, your PCV valve could be to blame. A valve stuck closed creates excessive crankcase pressure, leading to increased engine resistance and reduced performance. 8. High-pitched whistling or hissing noise. Listen carefully. A bad PCV valve can produce a high-pitched whistling or hissing noise. This sound comes from the valve being stuck open or from a vacuum leak caused by a faulty valve. If you hear this sound, it's time to check the PCV system. Why does the PCV valve go bad? Over time, the PCV valve can become clogged with carbon deposits and sludge from the combustion process. Heat, age, and lack of maintenance also contribute to wear and tear. A clogged valve disrupts the normal flow of gases in the engine, leading to all the issues we've discussed. How to address a bad PCV valve. If you suspect your PCV valve is failing, here's what to do. 1. Inspect and replace the valve. PCV valves are relatively inexpensive and easy to replace. 1. Check your owner's manual for its location and replacement schedule. 2. Clean the valve. In some cases, cleaning a clogged valve can restore its function temporarily, but replacement is usually the best option. 3. Check related components. Ensure the hoses and gaskets connected to the PCV system are free of cracks and leaks. Routine maintenance, including regular oil changes, can also prevent PCV valve issues in the first place. The PCV valve might be a small part of your car, but its role in maintaining engine efficiency is huge. Ignoring the signs of a bad PCV valve can lead to bigger, costlier problems down the line. So if you've noticed any of these symptoms, it's time to act. Like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips and tricks, and keep your engine running smoothly.